Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.